Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool Module part #W11602886. The Whirlpool Module part #W11602886 is a control board for Whirlpool washing machines. It is designed to replace the original control board in certain models of Whirlpool washers. The module is responsible for controlling the various functions of the washer, such as water level, temperature, spin speed, and cycle selection. It also contains diagnostic codes that can be used to troubleshoot any issues with the washer. The module is easy to install and comes with detailed instructions for installation. This part fixes the following symptoms. The Whirlpool Module part #W11602886 is designed to fix a variety of issues related to the control board in your appliance. These issues include erratic operation of the appliance, unresponsive buttons on the control panel, display not working properly, error codes appearing on the display, unusual noises coming from the appliance. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the power to the appliance at the circuit breaker. 2. Remove the access panel from the appliance and locate the wiring harness for the Whirlpool module. 3. Disconnect the wiring harness from the module and remove any mounting screws that may be holding it in place. 4. Install the new Whirlpool module using the mounting screws provided with it and reconnect the wiring harness to it. 5. Replace any access panels that were removed and turn on power to the appliance at the circuit breaker. 6. Test your appliance to ensure You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.